Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something super important that affects many teens, sexually transmitted diseases, or STDs. I know it might feel a bit awkward, but trust me, knowing the facts can really help keep you safe and healthy. Just like how we work on our physical fitness, we need to take care of our sexual health too. So, are you ready? Let's dive into this topic together and get all the info you need. Okay, let's start with the basics. STDs are infections that can be passed from one person to another through sexual contact. This includes not just intercourse, but also oral sex and even skin-to-skin contact in some cases. It's super important to know that anyone who's sexually active can get an STD, regardless of age, gender, or sexual orientation. Now, you might be wondering how common STDs really are among teens. Well, according to recent data from the CDC, nearly half of all new STD cases occur in young people aged 15-24. That's a pretty big number, right? It just shows how important it is for us to talk about this and be informed. Just like how we focus on eating right and staying fit, we need to pay attention to our sexual health too. Let's talk about some of the most common STDs that affect teens. These include chlamydia, gonorrhea, HPV, herpes, and HIV/AIDS. Each of these has different symptoms. But here's the tricky part. Many STDs don't show any symptoms at all. That's why regular testing is so important if you're sexually active. For those that do show signs, you might experience things like unusual discharge, pain or burning when peeing, sores or bumps in the genital area, or flu-like symptoms. If you notice any of these, it's super important to see a doctor right away. Remember, early detection and treatment can make a huge difference in managing STDs and preventing complications. It's just like how catching a fitness injury early can prevent bigger problems down the line. Now, let's get real about the impact of STDs. If left untreated, some STDs can lead to serious health problems. For example, untreated chlamydia or gonorrhea can cause infertility. HIV, if not managed properly, can progress to AIDS. HPV can lead to certain types of cancer. It's not just about your physical health either. Getting an STD can really affect your emotional well-being and relationships too. Many teens who get STDs feel ashamed, anxious, or depressed. They might worry about telling their partners or future partners. It can be a lot to deal with emotionally. That's why it's so important to have support from trusted adults or healthcare providers. Remember, having an STD doesn't define you, and with proper care, many STDs can be cured or managed effectively. It's all about taking care of your whole self, body, and mind. So, how can you protect yourself? The most effective way to prevent STDs is abstinence. That means not having sex. If you do choose to be sexually active, always use protection like condoms and get regular STD tests. It's also super important to communicate openly with your partner about sexual health. Think of it like having a workout buddy. You look out for each other's health and safety. If you do get an STD, don't panic. Most STDs are treatable with antibiotics or antiviral medications. Some, like herpes and HIV, can't be cured but can be managed with proper medical care. And here's something to think about. Waiting until marriage to have sex not only prevents STDs, but can also lead to stronger, more committed relationships. Studies show that couples who wait report higher relationship satisfaction and better communication. It's like building a strong foundation before starting an intense workout routine. All right, guys, we've covered a lot today. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your sexual health. Don't be afraid to ask questions or seek help if you need it. Whether you choose abstinence or decide to be sexually active, make sure you're making informed decisions. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep working on being the best version of yourself inside and out. Take care, and I'll see you in the next workout. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.